Hello, my name is Karen, also known as Advertising Diva, and I want to welcome you to my home, more specifically to my bedroom. Let's go inside. I own a 1906 brownstone or row house, depending upon what part of the country you're from, here in Washington, D.C. It's a big house, and it currently has three wood burning fireplaces. All three are working, and they're on the first two levels of my home. So I've been working from home for the past year due to coronavirus and decided to make some upgrades to my bedroom. And in that process, I knew I wanted to add a fire feature on this top level, the third level of my brownstone. So I looked and researched some of the best companies and fell in love with the story of Modern Blaze. I knew I needed to have one of their products in my bedroom. I'm so excited I purchased this electric fireplace that you see burning right now for my bedroom. I get in my bed at night and I'm so excited when I get in it because I turn on the fireplace immediately. And on cold nights, I turn on the heat feature. This handy remote that I keep with my other remotes right here on the bed is ready to go. I can turn on the heat, add a timer, turn the heat off, and have the fireplace turn off so I don't fall asleep with it on. And it warms up the bedroom. Oh, it's just absolutely amazing. And on warm days, because today it's going to be over 70 in Washington, I have just the fireplace on with no heat function at all. It is a great addition to my home. My next project is my rooftop deck, and I cannot wait to add a fire feature to the rooftop deck. I love this company. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this quick, small tour of my bedroom.